Daytime television in America is a world all its own, a unique landscape that has shaped the rhythms of daily life for generations. It's filled with soap operas that have become household names, lively talk shows that spark conversation, and game shows that keep viewers guessing and cheering along. But among these, one genre stands out for its gripping realism and everyday drama, the courtroom reality show. These programs bring real legal drama into our living rooms every afternoon, turning ordinary disputes into must-see TV. Unlike the serious, scripted primetime dramas, courtroom shows are fast-paced, loud, and packed with raw emotion that feels unscripted and immediate. Viewers tune in to watch real people argue over small claims, money, property, or neighborhood disputes that could happen to anyone. The formula is simple but effective. A judge, two regular people, and no jury, just real-life conflicts playing out in real time. The cases are relatable, often echoing situations we've faced ourselves or heard about from friends and family. The people are genuine, their emotions raw and sometimes messy, making every episode unpredictable. We see neighbors clashing over fences, exes arguing about unpaid loans, and roommates bickering over rent or broken agreements, all under the watchful eye of a no-nonsense judge. The appeal? Authentic drama, real stakes and outcomes that can surprise everyone in the room. We play armchair detective, analyzing every detail and trying to guess who's telling the truth before the verdict is delivered. These shows have become a cornerstone of daytime TV, offering daily doses of conflict, resolution, and a peek into the legal system. The format is powerful: real people, real problems, and real decisions that can change lives in an instant. It's a slice of life served with a side of legal justice and a reminder that anyone could find themselves in court one day. That's why courtroom shows have kept audiences coming back for decades, making them a true daytime television tradition. The People's Court pioneered the courtroom show genre, setting the standard for all that followed. Its famous opening, "Don't take the law into your own hands, you take them to court," is iconic. Two parties agree to let the judge decide their dispute, and the verdict is final. The format is clear: plaintiff presents, defendant responds, judge decides. Evidence can be anything from texts to physical objects, all overseen by a no-nonsense bailiff. On the other side, Judge Mathis brings a different energy. Judge Greg Mathis, once a troubled youth, now presides with empathy and street smarts. His show follows the same small claims format, but his personal story and style make it unique. Both shows deliver real cases, but each judge brings their own flavor to the courtroom. The real difference between the People's Court and Judge Mathis is the judges themselves. While both shows revolve around small claims cases and dramatic disputes, the personalities and philosophies of their judges create two very distinct courtroom experiences. Judge Marilyn Millian is known for her tough love, no-nonsense approach. She brings a sense of authority and discipline to every case she hears, never shying away from making difficult decisions. She's sharp, direct, and demands respect for the law. Her questions are pointed, and she expects litigants to be honest and concise. Her courtroom is all business. She cuts through drama and expects clear answers. There's little room for theatrics or excuses under her watchful eye. Her fiery lectures and quick wit are a hallmark, making her courtroom feel like a true hall of justice. She's not afraid to call out bad behavior, and her passion for fairness is always on display. Judge Mathis, in contrast, is personal and conversational. He brings warmth and relatability to the bench, making litigants feel heard and understood. He draws on his own life, using humor and empathy to connect with litigants. His background and experiences shape his unique perspective on justice. He's as interested in people as he is in legal facts, often pausing to offer advice or life lessons. Judge Mathis sees the courtroom as a place for growth and second chances. His approach is holistic, part judge, part mentor. He strives to inspire positive change, not just resolve disputes. Viewers are drawn to his charisma and genuine desire to help. His ability to connect with people makes his courtroom feel welcoming and supportive. Judge Millian delivers legal precision. Judge Mathis delivers wisdom and heart. Each judge brings their own strengths, shaping the tone and impact of their respective shows. That's what sets these two shows apart. Two judges, two styles, and two unforgettable approaches to justice on television. Both shows have delivered unforgettable moments that keep viewers talking long after the credits roll. These are the kinds of scenes that spark conversations at work, at home, and even online, as fans relive the wildest and most unexpected events. On the People's Court, the drama often comes from bizarre evidence, like a woman bringing ruined wigs to court, or someone presenting a truly odd item as proof. The cases can be as unpredictable as the people involved. Who could forget the time a man presented a cooler full of dead bedbugs? It's moments like these that make viewers gasp, laugh, and sometimes even cringe. Judge Million's reactions, whether it's disbelief, humor, or a stern lecture, are part of the fun. Her facial expressions and witty remarks have become iconic, adding another layer of entertainment. Sometimes litigants even perform in court, breaking into song or dance, leading to classic moments and memorable judge commentary that fans love to quote. Judge Mathis's show shines with emotional breakthroughs and comedic exchanges, blending heartfelt advice with sharp humor. He's a master at getting people to be honest, sometimes turning a petty dispute into a life lesson that resonates with everyone watching at home. His quick wit and humor lighten even the most intense cases, making the courtroom feel welcoming, even when emotions run high. Whether it's friends fighting over a lottery ticket, exes hashing out grievances, or family members at odds, Judge Mathis always finds the human story beneath the surface. These moments, funny, strange, or heartfelt, make both shows stand out from the rest, creating memories that stick with viewers. It's real people, real drama, and real entertainment, proof that sometimes the most unforgettable stories happen in the courtroom. The magic of these shows is simple. They feature real people with real problems. Litigants come from all walks of life, bringing everyday disputes into the spotlight. We see family loan arguments, landlord-tenant battles, and more, conflicts we all recognize. This relatability draws viewers in, making us invested in the outcome. We pick sides, root for justice, and wait for the judge's verdict. The courtroom reveals true personalities, anger, defensiveness, or raw emotion. It's a window into human behavior, honesty, and accountability. The satisfaction comes from seeing problems resolved quickly and decisively. In a single episode, order is restored and justice is served. That's the enduring appeal. Relatable problems, real drama, and a satisfying conclusion. It's why these shows remain daytime favorites. Judge Mathis offers more than legal rulings. He educates, inspires, and entertains. His blend of sharp humor and heartfelt advice sets his show apart. He uses jokes to break tension and get to the truth, never mean-spirited, always insightful. Beyond laughs, he offers real guidance, especially to young people, drawing from his own journey. His words carry weight, lessons about responsibility, respect, and second chances. The show becomes more than a court case. It's about redemption and growth. Viewers tune in for his wisdom as much as the verdict. Judge Mathis proves that sometimes a little tough love and humor can change lives.